Hello, this is Lois Threlkeld. Today we're talking about turnkey properties, turnkey real estate investing, and legal support for savvy investors like you. So, in diving into this brilliant strategy, because save yourself some time and some money, turnkey real estate investing is passive income. Passive income investing. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. So let's uncover how the way you can tap into legal expertise and empower your turnkey investments. First, let's discuss what turnkey investing is. Very appealing choice for many of us. We have passive income and we're investing to allow us to diversify our portfolio and, like I mentioned, save us time and spreading risk over multiple properties. So legal support is very important in this strategy. One of the reasons would be the legal review of property agreements. When things are in writing, they need to be in writing in your favor. Make sure all these bases are covered. It offers an extra layer of protection. Also, in the event of tenant disputes, we need resolution. So your law firm can guide you through this process and they can help you handle legal matters professionally. Navigating the legal aspects of turnkey investments, and it includes areas like regulatory compliance, and this can be very complex, and legal assistance from attorneys can ensure you remain compliant with the law. Next up, accessing legal support. If you're interested in legal assistance, we provide that to you. We offer access to our provider network of law firms all over the United States. It's unlimited. It's a price of about a cup of coffee a day. So before we wrap up, remember that turnkey real estate investing can be a very lucrative path, especially when you have the right legal allies by your side. So if you need further information, consider contacting us for legal support access. And if you have any questions about this topic, turnkey real estate investing and how legal assistance can maybe enhance your investment strategy, just contact us. You can go to the ladiesofjusticeleague.com and remember to like us, put comments in the video, and share this with people you care about. We'll see you next episode. I'm Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Go visit us.